Hello friends, this is another video, and in this I will explain about this 5-line spread. In this the cards we got are 9 of clubs, ace of hearts, 10 of hearts, 3 of hearts and 4 of spades. So what does this indicates? So this indicates that as we got more number of heart cards, this represents a relationship. I have asked a relationship question, that's why I got so many heart cards. And the number of heart cards representing here shows that the love is going towards a positive direction, but the line ended in the 4 of spades, and that is the main problem, and we will see how we will interpret this card, why this 4 of spades came out. So our line started with the 9 of clubs. So 9 of clubs indicates a kind of any kind of journey for business, a journey, a luck in business, or it can also represents uh, you are traveling for some business reasons, or some kind of journey. It can also represents the journey uh, inside you means spiritual journey, to know yourself, like meditation and all. It can also be represented by the 9 of clubs. Now what does ace of heart represents? Ace of heart represents a friendship, uh, a growing love, and also represents home, a friendly atmosphere. Now 10 of hearts represents marriage, true love, fulfillment of all your desires, or your desires have been fulfilled. It also represented by the 10 of hearts. 3 of hearts represents expansion in love, expansion in every part where heart is involved. If your heart is involved in business, then expansion in that thing, and if related to relationship, then the love is increasing, like that. 4 of spades indicates business. 4 of spades indicates some kind of illness, tiredness, you are not able to take rest because of some reasons. So it is represented by the 4 of spades. So how we will interpret this? Because this is a relationship reading, and we got the 4 of spades and the 9 of clubs, and now we will use the mirror technique. So as you can see, the 9 of clubs is mirroring the 4 of spades. So I have told you that the 9 of clubs indicates journey of journey inside you, spiritual journey to know yourself. It can also represent journey related to business. But I know this person, so he is more into meditation, and he is in this related to this person. This shows that he is not getting time for his journey to inside means he is more into meditation, and he is not getting time because of the work. He is feeling like he's stuck, or he is also feeling like he's not he's tired because of this work. This is also a work. Clubs always represents work. So he is feeling tired and he is not able to relax, and the way of relaxing is through meditation. Now with heart of the card is 10 of hearts. Heart of this reading is 10 of hearts. So 10 of hearts is fulfillment of desires, and the answer to our question is definitely yes, the question whatever we have asked. Now we can see the ace of heart and 3 of heart is mirroring each other. So ace of heart represents home, and love is expanding in home, and there is mutual feelings, and the love is growing at home. So as more number of heart cards are there, we can say the answer is going towards a positive direction. But there is no need to worry, because the 4 of spades is coming, and 4 of spades is mirroring the 9 of clubs, because he is not getting time for himself, he is not getting time because of his maybe work. So that's why the 4 of spades came out with the mirroring the 9 of clubs. So this is how we interpret 5 card spread and mirroring of cards. Thank you for watching my video.